Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans struggles with kidney issues, from mild impairment to chronic disease? The burden of kidney problems affects not just the individual, but their loved ones as well. Imagine feeling free from the weight of constant doctor visits, medication, and worry about your kidney health. Today we're going to unlock a secret that has been hidden in plain sight for centuries. The ancient power of Native American herbal tonics to cleanse and protect your kidneys. For centuries, indigenous communities have relied on the wisdom of their ancestors to heal and protect their bodies. One such forgotten remedy is a specific blend of herbs that has been used for generations to boost kidney function and overall health. This indigenous tonic, crafted with love and care, has been a cornerstone of Native American medicine. Passed down through stories, ceremonies, and hands-on practice. The Navajo people, for instance, have a rich tradition of using herbal remedies, including a specific blend of desert plants to cleanse the kidneys and promote overall well-being. Let's delve into the history of this tonic. In a small village nestled between the vast expanses of the American Southwest, a respected Navajo healer spent years perfecting the recipe for this kidney tonic. She would venture into the desert under the light of the full moon, carefully selecting the finest herbs and plants to include in her blend. The villagers would often gather around her as she prepared the tonic, watching in awe as she combined the ingredients with a deep understanding of their properties and effects on the body. One story tells of an elder who was on the brink of kidney failure, but was saved by this very tonic, regaining his strength and living many more years to share his wisdom with the community. The relevance of this ancient wisdom to our modern lives cannot be overstated. In today's fast-paced world where processed foods and environmental toxins can take a toll on our kidneys, this indigenous tonic offers a beacon of hope. By embracing the natural healing properties of these herbs, we can not only alleviate kidney issues, but also promote a deeper connection with nature and our own bodies. For example, the tonic can be used to help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and even support the body's natural detoxification processes. Now, let's explore the ingredients that make this tonic so effective. The blend typically includes 4 to 6 key herbs, each with its unique properties and benefits. Burdock root, for instance, cleanses the blood and promotes the elimination of toxins, much like a river washing away impurities. Dandelion leaf supports the liver and kidneys, acting as a natural diuretic to help flush out waste. Juniper berries have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and discomfort associated with kidney issues. And finally, the root of the echinacea plant boosts the immune system, helping the body fight off infections that could further compromise kidney health. To prepare this tonic, you'll need to follow a simple yet precise process. First, combine the dried herbs in a specific ratio, usually 2 parts burdock root to 1 part dandelion leaf, with a pinch of juniper berries and a sprinkle of echinacea root. Next, simmer the mixture in purified water for exactly 15 minutes, stirring gently to blend the flavors and release the herb's potency. Allow the tonic to cool before straining it into a glass container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, drinking a cupful twice a day for optimal results. Remember, the key to this tonic's effectiveness lies not just in its ingredients, but in the intention and respect with which it is prepared. As you incorporate this indigenous tonic into your daily routine, you may start to notice significant improvements in your kidney health. Your energy levels may increase, your sleep may improve, and you may find yourself feeling more resilient to stress and illness. But how does it work? The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in the herbs help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, promoting healing and regeneration. The diuretic effects of the dandelion leaf and juniper berries assist in flushing out toxins, while the echinacea root supports the immune system in fighting off pathogens that could compromise kidney function. It's also important to consider the potential interactions with other medications or health conditions. For instance, if you're taking blood thinners or have diabetes, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting this tonic. Additionally, pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution and seek professional advice before using any new herbal remedies. In conclusion, the indigenous tonic offers a powerful, natural solution for kidney issues, rooted in the ancient wisdom of Native American communities. By embracing this forgotten remedy, we not only heal our kidneys, but also reconnect with the natural world and the timeless. Knowledge of our ancestors, So join thousands of others who are rediscovering the secrets of Indigenous health. Subscribe now to our channel, Indigenous Healing Elixirs, and start your journey towards wellness and harmony with nature. Remember, the power to heal is within you, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can unlock a healthier, happier you. Learn more about Indigenous health secrets and start healing today.